Hey guys, it's Snake of Trendy of an episode, and today I'm going to be playing Jigsaw 2 with Brown Knight 9, and I am talking so quick that you probably didn't hear a thing. And it is so loud I am turning my sound off. Not resource pack sound. Snake up. It's okay if you just can come on for a sec because you're not even on Jigsaw. Okay, don't press the pressure plate or you'll fall in lava for the century. Help me! Help me! I don't want to die!
What?
I don't.
I think they fixed that bug, I think.
What was the bug?
Where you could go on the outside, I don't think it lets you.
Nope, the bug still works. And I'm not lagging again. Hey, this is like the best quality videos I've ever done.
Yeah,
Maybe it's because I'm restarting my laptop more often. See, it does work. Now remember, it's B.
you call it.
And guys, I have actually made it to level 8. And you're probably like, no, you haven't. Well, I can prove it because I did a screenshot. And I hope I can do it again. Oh, Edward, just follow me. I know the way.
Callum knows the way. Callum knows the way.
Callum knows the way, hey, hey. Callum knows the way, hey, hey.
I'm not recording, by the way, just let me.
This guy that dude was going the right way and he just didn't. There's so many people just going the right way and then they just stop going it. Buddy, you went the wrong way again. And here we are.
Let's just jump in, boy.
Well, first let the mist go. And I have actually found out, guys, how to complete this. Well, that did happen before, but that happens very not often.
No, Callum, I'm just burning. I got back up.
Try not to die. It's bad luck.
I'm just waiting for my help.
And see, guys, there we go.
No! I'm gonna die, Callum, help me.
I just about saw that. So I am on level 6, guys. Hooray! Hooray!
Hey, Callum, I need to go now.
Why?
Bye.
Bye then. So see, guys, that is how you do it. But sadly, this one is a blindness one. And that is bad. But good news, I know the way. It's somewhere, there we are. And as you can see, level 8, what did I tell you? But this is very hard, guys. But I have got here before and I tried B and it was wrong. So don't press B. So it's either a bow and arrow or a backpack. Oh gosh, this is hard thinking. Okay, so I'm going to try this one, and if it's wrong, we will know which it is. It was wrong. Okay then, so now we know which it is. It is a backpack. Hooray! It's finally found out what the answer is. So yeah guys, I am nearly a master at this game really, because you think about it, I can complete that easily, that one easily, this one easily, and even this one easily, and this is like the hardest one. So yeah. But the way to do this is do it once and then just remember little parts, and once you see those parts, you know where you are and you know where the button's gonna go. So you just keep on thinking and where it's gonna go. So you just memorize a little bit and then it gets bigger and bigger. And luckily they have changed it to a lemon pressure plate. But number 5 is one of the hardest that nearly nobody can complete. See? Nobody. But it is possible to get to level 8. Now we know that. But the good news is we have found out how to do level 6. It's a sprint jump into the lava. Not a normal, not just walk in. It's a sprint jump and you'll go right in. Okay? And guys, we might be making a new our own server at one point. So yeah. And come on, you can do this. Oh, wrong way. Just keep on going. There. But the hard thing about this is it is a glass maze. So everywhere you think there's a passageway, there isn't. Okay? So right now I think there's sort of like a passageway somewhere. Well, it's just very confusing to explain. And I'm not feeling comfortable right now where I am, so I'm just getting myself comfortable. No. There we go. And I'm not like Sky does Minecraft and he has a laptop that goes on a desk. I do have a desk. I just usually stay in my bed. It's cooler and warmer, and it's just so nice in my bed. And that was a lucky shot to just jump and survive it, because once you jump, you can't stop yourself from going maybe through the water. So there we go. Now we are here. So remember, it's sprint jump, guys. But it is nearly not possible if you don't sprint jump, because you need enough life to get there. 2 hearts isn't gonna do it. Unless you have unlimited regen. But yeah. And oh my gosh, that was the worst thing oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. So basically guys, I am just going to try so hard just to get to level 8 again, because I want to see level 9. Okay? And if you guys play Jigsaw and you're like, this is impossible, don't think that. It's very easy actually, the first few rounds. So just memorize it and done. Down there. Oh, that was a bit too many hearts lost. But don't worry, on the run it'll regen. So down there, up there, down there, not up, down, keep on going down there, then there, here, turn that way. And this is what I mean by passageway, because it looks like right now you can turn around and there'll be a passageway there. But what's this? There isn't. So you think there's a passageway there and it isn't. So that is what I'm talking about with the passageways. Okay, so then it's down there. Almost there. Come on. You can do this, Callum. You can do this. Do this. Don't do this. Do this. So, get ready for water parkour. I should really make some water parkour, maybe. It's cool and easy. But for you guys, it is extremely hard and impossible. Oh, nuts. Why am I not concentrating as much? Hi, you, buddy. I can do this. I can do this. I can't. I can do this. I cannot do this. I can do this. I can do this. I can't do this. I can. I can't. I can. Somebody believe in me. Oh, come on now! And yes, I did just make that whistling noise. I'm a good whistler. See? And yes, that was Doctor Who. So, and this is a very hard one now. So, I'm gonna concentrate. So, I'm just gonna go quiet for a sec, guys, to try and concentrate and do this. So, the concentrating didn't work. I know why, so we have to do it once again. Boo! This is Big Bang Boo! 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 Texture pack time, texture pack time, texture pack. Texture pack. Oh, texture pack! Texture pack! Just texture pack! This is awesomer than I expect. Cool. And yes, this is the different texture pack. And you're probably wondering, why would I even have the different texture pack? It's because I tried playing Death Run with my friends, but there wasn't enough people. But good news with this, it makes it more confusing. Hooray! For me. Because if it's confusinger, it's going to make it harder for me. Hooray! Sadly, I can see it right now. Yep. Then there. Yeah. So I hope you guys actually do watch my moves in the maze so you can memorize the maze as well. Close one. No. Seriously, not again. Oh, darn. I hate this. Wait a second. What is on top of that? It's nothing. It's nothing. We're doomed. We're alive. we're done. Alive, we're done. Alive. 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 Shut up. I gotta do this, I gotta do this. So it's like forwards now. Turn to the side, turn down here, down we going. Oh yeah, yeah. Turn to the left, turn to the right. Go up, turn to the right. Turn left again. Turn left once again. Turn right, turn left. And then down the hallway. Right, left, and then a right. Left, right, all the way. Right, left. No, not left. Ah, stupid me. Let's now try do this here. So I'm gonna go quiet again, guys, because I want to concentrate and do it. Okay, that was a very close one, and I'm doing what Edward did. Regen. It seems like a good technique. Regen. Okay, I think I have enough. That was close. No! Oh no! Oh, this is so hard now, that water parkour. First I can do it no matter what, and now I can't even try to do it. Oh my god. So it's forwards on the side. Skid right past all the pressures. That makes it double ease. I should really just stay quiet. So, yeah guys, kind of, now you know kind of lots how to complete Jigsaw. But I'm not gonna end the recording so fast. I'm gonna probably have 2 more tries on my own with nobody else. I'm crying my eyes out. Why am I even crying like that? I've forgotten so soon. What is my lifetime? I don't know my lifetime. Oh. That was a close one. I almost didn't press the pressure plate. And that is not that much trouble. But I don't care. Luigi, Mario. Luigi, Mario. No. Oh, come on now. So this is my last try, and if I don't do it, I'm just gonna get so mad that I'm gonna blow up. I didn't mean now. Yay, I'm standing on absolutely nothing. Cool. I'm scaredy. I don't wanna die. I'm scaredy. I don't wanna die. I'm scaredy. And I wish the checkpoints would really work, because they do not. They say checkpoint here and we go in and it does absolutely nothing. So I get so mad that I just blow up. So yeah guys, this is my last try, and hopefully I'll get back to level 8, because this I've only got to level 8 2 times, and it should be lots now that I know how to do the water parkour. But sadly, the water parkour now hates me. Yeah. So yeah, like that. So that's a close one, guys. No! Another try. So this is the very, 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 double very, 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 very last time. Very. Very last time. Shut up, brain. 2 hearts, that does nothing. Because I am Superman. Da 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 da. Let's just do this harder mode. Da 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 da. So then it's like that, and but this shot. Yeah. Okay. And I hope you like my new series I've created. That is Snakeo versus Games. That most people do who play Minecraft. Because they just play Minecraft and not other games, but then they start playing other games that they like and they decide to record. No! Okay, this is the very, 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 very last time. I just can't take it. I just really want to get back to level 8. Oh my gosh, a bit. And there's no Edward to keep us company. No, I just said berry, right? Yeah, I said berry. Okay, this is the very, 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 very Hulk smash, very, very, very hammer, very Hulk, very I don't know, Loki, spear thing, very, 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 and I hadn't stopped saying very, so it is still not done, so very, 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 double very, 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 4 hammer, very, 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 spider web, very, 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 Captain America shield, very, 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 very last time. Very. Hulk smash very! Very, 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 very. Now, come on, give me a better contest. I'm just gonna say, I know the way. I know the way. Because I think that cat got it wrong last time he played. Nya, 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 nya. I hate nanny cats. I hate nanny cats. I hate nanny cats. I don't know why. No, nanny cat, you was going the right way, nanny cat. Oh my gosh, there's just so many people. They just go exactly the right way, and then they stopped going the right way. Okay, so finally we might get back to level 8, the score of a lifetime. And maybe even level 9. So if we get to level 9, cheer your heads off with joy. Oh gosh, that was close. And the reason I go the long way is because it has only 1 block jumps. And we did it! We actually did it, guys! We finally did that water parkour. Oh gosh, we're happy now. Yeah. Well, more like I'm happy, yeah. No! Oh, you're kidding me! You are so kidding me! Stupid text pack, you made it important. I hate you. It's okay, one more try, guys. So, this is definitely the very last time. Because my texture pack did that. Oh my gosh, I hate lava. Because that is the way to double jump actually, guys. Really, you're set on fire by lava and jump, but the pain in the lava hits you again and makes you double jump. So that's how to double jump in Minecraft with no commands. So yeah. But the bad news, it does very bad health too. So there. La 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 la. La la la. Yeah. Oh gosh, that's a close one. Get to the top. Swim. Swim. Get back up. Swim. Swim! Yes, we did it again, guys. This is the final try room, guys. So we better make this lava part. No! Oh, come on! Oh, I hate lava part. Oh, God. Thank you guys for watching and hope you liked that episode. And if you did, just leave a like. So bye!